today I'm going to go over how to draw my neighbor Totoro, and that's going to be really easy, simple. It's going to be for beginners. If you do like this kind of subject matter, you like anime, I'm going to go a lot more into different anime characters now. Please click the like button. Also, give me kind of a, maybe in the comments section, let me know what character you want to see. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this. This is a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen, just basic pen. And I'm using this basic #2 pencil, and this is for proportion. Sorry, mechanical pencil, not #2 pencil, mechanical pencil. So I'm going to start with a general shape. By the way, the paper, I'll talk about this while I'm drawing. there's 4. And well, there's really 7, right? But there's 3 on top and then 4 underneath that. And that is pretty much the entire thing. If you get to this point, you're totally done. See? So let's compare so here's the shape I got, and that's again 4 structure, 4 proportion, and then I put the paper over it and I do that shape. You put the attributes on top of that. If you want, you can throw a little, because he's got claws as well, those little sticks. And that's pretty much the entire thing. I really hope you enjoyed that. If that was easy to follow, if it was okay for you, please hit that like button. Also, please share it. Sharing is probably the biggest reward you could give me. It's just like amazing that you do that. If you made it to this point, also please consider checking out my sketchbook. I put a sketchbook together just for you guys, and I am selling it right now currently. That's the first link in the description. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. I got a lot of cool things in the description, a lot of goodies, a lot of freebies as well. So talk to you guys next time.